In my role as a technology expert, I've become known first and foremost for my ability to spot trends. The problem, I think, for the average business is how and where to start looking for these trends. I found that the following 3 steps can be incredibly helpful. First, listen to your customers, because in a consumer-driven economy, they're the ones that often prove to be the source of the most innovative ideas. Second, try to differentiate between fads and trends. Don't place your bets on things that are merely popular, but look rather for something that has lasting and long-term potential. Third, you'll want to hedge your bets just like you would in a financial portfolio. Don't look to spot the next big thing, singular. Look for the next big things, plural. That way, you can insulate yourself from the fads that inevitably fall by the wayside, and you can be prepared for the new areas of innovation that are pretty much the lifeblood of any growing business.